Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to install extra USB ports or cigarette lighter in your car. Sometimes we connect too many accessories in the car, so there are wires hanging all over the place, and most of the time we just connect all the wires there. So there's a wire clutter there. So just install extra USB ports in the glove box. I have installed a cigarette lighter in the car right there, and I've installed this ambient light and this dash cam, and there is no visible wire. All the wires are hidden in the glove box. So I have drilled a hole and installed this cigarette lighter, and I connected this adapter which has two USB ports. Drill a hole, put it through the hole and secure it with this nut. And there are two wires. One of the ground wire will connect to any grounds, like any bare metal. I have connected there. And the other wire you will connect it to the fuse box. So I ran the wire to the fuse box behind the dash to that fuse box right there. So I picked a fuse. It was a 5 amp fuse, and I used that fuse taps. Don't exceed the value of the amps written on that fuse box or on the fuse cover, because the wires might heat up and might cause the short circuit. Some of the cars have a fuse box over there, and some have in the trunk, and some has only one fuse box that would be in the engine bay. Or you can install the USB ports here, drill a hole there, and run the cable to the fuse box right there, or to the fuse box in the engine bay, or you can install the USB ports there or the cigarette lighter. Thank you.